Now we would like to discuss a few questions about viscosity and fluid properties. We go for question number 1 here. According to information found in an old hydraulic book, the energy loss per unit weight of fluid flowing through a nozzle connected to a hose can be estimated by the formula of as shown here, where H is the energy loss per unit weight, D is the hose diameter, small d is the nozzle tip diameter, V the fluid velocity in the hose, and the G is the acceleration of gravity. Do you think this equation is valid in any system of units? So please explain your answer here. So this is the answer for question number 1. So this is the equation given in the question. So we have H equals 0.04 to 0.09 d over d to the power of 4 v square over 2g. And then the question asks about the energy per unit weight. So the simple way to define the unit for energy per unit weight is shown here. For example, we take one example of energy. So I take potential energy, which is equal to mgh. So and then we divide into the weight, which is mg. So we found that the equation here will become h. So h here means in terms of meter. So means that the left hand side here should be in meter unit. So and then we must make sure the right hand side here is in meter unit also. So we found that 0.04 to 0.09 is the constant, so means it doesn't have any units. So d over d is actually the ratio between outer and inner diameter, so it's still it's not has any units. So v square over 2g, so we substitute the unit for velocity, which is meter per second square here. So and 2 is without any unit, and gravity is the acceleration. So after we cancel out all the parameter here, we found that in right hand side the unit is meter. So means now the left and right hand side equation both in meter. Since each term in the equation must have the same dimension, the constant term 0.04 and 0.09 must be dimensionless. Thus, the equation is a general homogeneous equation that is valid in any system of units.